Hi, I'm Jeff Schwartz. If you're pregnant or just had a baby, congratulations. Now let's talk about your rights. If your employer has at least 5 employees, you can take up to 4 months of unpaid pregnancy disability leave before or after giving birth to deal with pregnancy-related medical conditions, including prenatal care, severe morning sickness, doctor-ordered bed rest, childbirth, and recovery from childbirth. Pregnancy leave does not need to be taken all at once. You can take it as needed. But you should give your employer at least 30 days' notice, if possible. You can also request reasonable accommodations from your employer to deal with pregnancy-related disabilities that affect your work, such as less strenuous or hazardous duties while you're pregnant. Also, if your employer has at least 50 full or part-time workers, you've worked there a full year, and you worked at least 1,250 hours during the prior year, you can take up to an additional 12 weeks of unpaid leave to bond with your newborn, adopted, or foster child, or to care for yourself, a parent, spouse, or child with a serious health condition. This permits both mothers and fathers to bond with their children. Also, if your employer provides health insurance coverage for other temporary disabilities, it must provide such coverage during your disability leave. When you return from pregnancy disability leave, your employer must return you to your former position unless it's no longer available, such as after a layoff. In that case, your employer must offer you a comparable position if one exists. If you have a disability or medical condition when you return, your employer is required to meet with you to discuss reasonable accommodations to permit you to do your job, provided that you're still able to perform its essential functions with an accommodation. And if you breastfeed, your employer is required to provide you with a private location, other than a bathroom, to express milk. For more information about your pregnancy rights, contact a knowledgeable employment attorney. If you don't already have one, call or email me to talk about your case. There's never a charge or obligation. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more information about your employment rights. And share these videos with your family, friends, and coworkers. In these tough economic times, workers and their families need every dollar they've earned. Finally, these are general rules under California law. This is not legal advice. Only an attorney who knows your specific situation can tell you whether they apply to you. Good luck.